Good morning children, this is grade 3 science class. Hope you all are doing revisions. So till now we have completed block 1 to 5 revisions. Now today we are going to revise 3 blocks at a time children. These blocks which we have for our exam. So I think already you have got the message of summative assessment. So for this summative assessment we have 8 blocks, so which we have completed 16 blocks in our portion. So half of the portion is there for summative assessment 1. So this 8 blocks we have done already, 5 blocks we have done revision. So the rest of the 3 blocks we are going to revise now. So block 6, 8 and block 12 today we will revise. The answers which are very important we will revise children, and there is no time. So you are going to learn all the answers from classwork, workbook, and even you are going to be thorough with the reader part. So that will help you to attempt the objective type questions. So you are going to learn the answers from classwork, reader and workbook children, and be thorough with the lesson in the reader. And children, this is an important note that no parent is allowed to write the paper. Only children handwriting must be there in the paper. Now open your workbook children. Today we have to revise from block 6, block 8 and block 12. So from block 6 they may ask you difference between living and non-living things, the features of living and non-living things. They may give you in this way table, and they may ask you to identify which one is a living and which one is non-living, and they may ask you to write the reason. So they may give you, instead of pictures also, they may give you some of the examples. They may ask you to circle that which one is the odd one, and you should give the reason. Even this is also important. Learn difference between plants and animals, and humans, plants or animals. So learn all these questions children. Now block 8, the food animals eat. So they may ask you, so what the herbivores will eat and omnivores will eat and carnivores will eat, and which kind of teeth they have. Even they may ask you to draw the food chain. They may give you some examples and you should draw the food chain. So write this in your revision part. This in your revision part. Write this question also in your revision part. This one also you write in your revision part, and this one also you write in your revision part. Learn all the questions children. Now we'll see practice questions from readers. Learn all these questions children. This bit. You write this bit, and 7th one in your classwork. So in this you have to write 5th and 6th, and this one in your classwork. Learn all the questions. So in this you are going to write 1st and 5th one. So how does milk help your body? So learn all these questions children. So whichever I marked, you write it in your revision part. Okay children, prepare well for your exam.